Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are also the victim of Steam games not showing the library, this video is directly for you. I'll go ahead and simply teach you easy fixes to help you fix out the issue of games not showing in the library. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, launch the Steam, click on this View tab and you will find the option of Hidden Games. Make sure you check mark this particular option. Once you click on this Hidden Games, the games that are hidden will be shown right over here. Then click on the option Show All Collections and the games will start to show. If the game is not showing, then you need to click on this little play icon available over here. When you click on this play icon, you can see only few games are showing. I'll go ahead and again click on this play icon and you can see all of my games are starting to show. So make sure you toggle this play option to check if the hidden games are showing right in front of you or not. And last basic step is to make sure if you have purchased the game right now, close the Steam, restart your PC and then click on the start menu. After restarting the PC, launch the Steam only in the administrator mode and check the issue of games not showing in the Steam has been fixed out or not. If these simple fixes doesn't help you resolve the issue, let's proceed with the next step. Right in the Steam, go to the store and in the search box, search for your game. Suppose I'll search for Apex Legends and hit the enter key. Now select your game. Now right over here, you will find the option of Play Now. Whenever you click on the option Play Now, it will ask you to provide the installation directory. So simply provide the installation directory and the game will start to show right in your game directory. If this method also failed to work out, in next step again click on this help option available over here and choose the option Steam Support. Now here scroll to the bottom, in the search box type in the name of the game. Again, like I'll type in the game Apex Legends. Select the product, scroll down and choose the option this game is not in my library. The game is already available in my library, that's why the option is not available right over here. So at your end, simply choose the option this game is not in my library and then you will find the option of restore previously removed package. Click on the option restore previously removed package and the game will be started to show right in the library of your Steam. If this also failed to work out, this time click on Steam icon and choose the option settings. To the left pane, click on the option storage, click on this three dot icon and choose the option repair library. It will take few minutes and once the library is verified, again try to check the game is started to showing right in the Steam library or not. If this failed to work out, again click on this three dot icon and choose the option rename library and this time give it a name Steam library without any kind of space. Now hit the confirm button. Once the library is renamed, again close it and check the game is started to show right in the library or not. Again if it is not available, again go to the settings, storage, click on this down arrow key to open the library and click on the option add a drive. From a drop down list, choose the option let me choose another location and click on the option add. Now after clicking on the option add, you need to directly provide the game installation directory. Generally, it is available in C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common and all the games that you have installed will be available right over here. Select the game which is not showing and click on the option select folder and the game will be started to show right into the game library. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.